Don't give up. Pursue your lawn and garden business dream. Are you living the dream? G'day viewers, Jeff McPhee's Gardening, Melbourne, Australia. My grandmother, born prior to Federation, 1899, she's not with us today, of course. When I was a little boy, she said, Jeff, follow your dreams. Because if you don't, you're going to spend the rest of your life working for somebody that did. Now, I was fortunate my parents and my grandmother and grandfather all were all self-employed, had their own businesses. And although I did work with somebody else when I first started out, I ended up working for myself because that was a dream. I wanted to have my own business. So many people are chasing that dream. They're sitting wondering whether they should start a lawn and gardening care business perhaps. And I'm wondering when the right time is. We all know the right time is now. No matter what you ever do in business, now is the time to start, to relish that dream, to set a dream. A dream, as we know, should be yours only, nobody else's. You can't follow somebody else's dream. It's got to be your dream because you are you. You are different. So because somebody else is doing certain things in the industry of ours, doesn't mean to say that's a fit for you. You're the only one who will know that. So the last few videos I've done has been the negative aspects of running the business, and I did it for a reason because we need to understand what can affect our business and what can bring us down. So today it's a positive thing about setting a dream, setting something that we're going to achieve, something to strive for. Now everybody's going to have a different dream. It may be just a solo operator, mow, go and blow, and just rumble along endlessly for year after year and enjoy that. That suits some people. Some people might want a mixture of gardens and lawns. Some people might want to employ people, have several utes on the road, have lots of employees, big contracts, want to achieve greatness. Everybody will have a different dream because everybody is different. Thank God, if we're all the same, it'd be a pretty boring world, wouldn't it? So whatever your dream is, set it so that it's achievable. But don't set a dream, I believe, for something that you're going to achieve quickly. Because once you've achieved your dream, what's next? You may be very well happy just rambling along. I never have been. I always wanted to do something more. I wanted to do something better. I wanted to be better. So I always set a dream that's tough. It could be scary sometimes, but it's attainable, but you've got something to work for in the long term. Business people that own businesses, we're motivated, we're self-motivated. We've got the resilience and the persistence, as I mentioned in the previous video. You know, we're self-starters. We initiate things ourselves because we're responsible for it. People that work for somebody else, clock in and clock out, day in and day out, worrying about what others think, worrying about what the boss is thinking, always worrying about others. So when you're running your own business, why would you worry about any other operator? Why would you worry about anybody else but you and your business? What I'd like you to think about in business is to think about the dream that you're going to have, but more importantly, just as importantly, say to yourself, how can I get better every day? How can I make this business better every day? What can I do to make it better? The little 1%ers, the small little things each day to improve. And it's surprisingly how you'll get your business to go from Z right to the top. Whether you're a small operator, a solo operator, or running a big business, to improve yourself every day really helps. So I'll tell you my dream. When I started out, I wanted to run a successful business like we all do. I wanted to have a dream, I had a dream of having multiple units and employees. I tried that dream. I went so far, but it wasn't for me. I didn't want the stress. I didn't want that commitment to other people. I only wanted to worry about myself. Now other people can do it differently, and they have. There's been lots of success stories of people who have employed a lot of people and have gone really well. So I changed my dream, and I think we can all do that. Dreams and goals are the same thing. Whether you're setting a dream, you're setting a goal, it can keep changing. So the next dream I set, I wanted to be solo, and I wanted to get the best I could. I wanted to learn as much as I could. And I went and did a course in horticulture. I learnt as much as I could back in the day. And I'm still learning to this very day. My dream hasn't changed, but I'm living in that dream. Everyone's going to have a different dream, as I'll keep saying, which I mentioned before. But if you're in a position in your business and you're thinking about giving up, you really didn't want to do it in the first place. Because if you really believed in your business and you had that dream to succeed, you'll never give up. Don't be rigid. Be prepared to change. I think a lot of people get to the stage where this is the only way it can be done. And you'll ask advice. No, it's my way. That's the only way it works. Rubbish. You have to change consistently, constantly change, and also improve on every aspect of your working business life. Believe in your gut feeling. Follow your dream. Don't be frightened of the unknown, because the unknown could be the future of your success. So when you've reached your dream, if you have reached your dream, you may want to set a new dream, or you may want to enjoy living the dream that you've set yourself, if that makes sense. I think I've done that. I think I've reached my dream. I'm now living the dream. I am now so much enjoying being in business and my family life. It's really made a difference because I've seen the light at the end of the tunnel. When you're starting out in business, it's so scary. You can't see any light, you can't see any future. And I think it's important, if you can, in the early stages of your career. I wished I did. I didn't. For years I rambled on. I didn't know which direction to take, whether I was going to employ people or do full commercial or residential. I didn't know what to do. I just kept changing all the time till I found something. And I guess it's the same for everybody. To find your inner peace, to find that living dream concept, you've got to search. And you've got to try things. Don't be frightened of the unknown, as I said before. So many people get rigid, and what happens? They get into a rut. Once they get into that rut, they don't want to learn anymore. They just want to, day by day, live day by day. And therefore, they'll start hating the job and they'll leave. Because A, they didn't set the dream, and B, they probably didn't really want to do it. Any business, whatever it is, you really have got to have the passion, because if you don't have the passion, I don't know how you're going to get by. I haven't got an answer for that, but I believe I've always got the passion, and that's what really gets me through. Passion, dreams, self-belief. The world's your oyster. All right, viewers, thanks for watching. Another heavy one today. But I think it's so important that we've looked at the negatives, dreams are a positive, put it all together, and we might get somewhere with this business. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel, and please share the videos around. If you tell people and get them to look at my videos, it just helps our channel grow. I really want to keep growing the channel, quite enjoying it, and I really appreciate the comments that I've been getting, and both through the YouTube and also emails and texts. It really means a lot to me, messages. It means that perhaps you might be getting a little bit out of it, but it's surprising how much you learn by listening to other people. I certainly do. I listen to a lot of people, a lot of YouTube channels, and I get so much out of them. So just one little piece out of each one will make your business so successful. Right, viewers, see you in the next one. Bye.